Hey guys, welcome back to another session, another vlog. So today I'm doing a cooking video and I want to show you guys how to make Middle East rice. Arabic rice, you may call it Persian rice, you may call it however you want, but the rice from the Middle East. So first of all, I just washed the rice. I kept it for like 1 hour. I soaked it in water. I did not measure water. It's 2 cups of rice and half pot of water. I just add salt and I'll put some cooking oil. You can put the amount of oil that you need. It doesn't mean that you can put the amount that I did. It all depends on you. You can put salt if you want. You can just leave it like that, but I prefer with salt and oil. Just cover it and cook on low fire for like 5 minutes. As you can see, don't overcook it. Just you can feel, just take one and feel if it's smooth, it's ready. If it's still hard, it's not yet ready, but mine, as you can see, it's ready. I'll just pour this all into a sieve, whatever, and I'll cool the rice. I'll pour cold water on the rice. Yeah, I'll just run cold water onto the rice. Yeah, my rice is ready, and I just put some on a small bowl. Put the pot back on the heat. Add a little, small as you can, oil before you add your rice back. Let it cook for just a few minutes, and then take your rice and add it back to the pot. You don't need to put water, and simmer for like 5 minutes on low fire. Remember the rice that I placed on a bowl. Yeah, this rice I mixed. I just poured saffron water on top. This saffron water makes the rice yellow, and it gives the rice that yellowish look. And yeah, Arabic people, they love yellow rice like this. And if you want to know how to make the saffron water, I'll just attach the link to the video, and you can watch how to make the saffron water. I'll show you everything, guys. So my rice is ready. Yes, nice. Yumling. So yes, guys, that's my rice. That's the Arabic rice. That's the Persian rice. That's the Middle East rice. Let me just call it the Middle East rice. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like it, just share it with your friends, and make sure that you subscribe for more. Bye guys. Thank you so much. Stay safe.